Did not expect this for your first day.
Hey, eyes up here.
Wow.
9:21.
Oh my god, girl! Was it your first time? That was really good!
You're going dog nuts. I mean,
Ready, girl?
Yes.
Those last two shots on top of each other. Pretty good. I'd be really proud if I were you.
Yeah.
for your first day, that's pretty good.
Thank you.
Or do you want to find it right under the handle? Oh, that's cool.
Cool. Thank you, Sydney.
Nice. Of course. Thank you.